Hi all, this is Purti Chawla. Welcome back to Leverage IELTS, brought to you by Leverage Edu, your trusted study abroad expert. I was over the moon, guys, when I saw your comments on my videos. No, wait. Not over the moon. Like मैं moon के ऊपर चली गई थी. I meant I was happy when I saw all the comments. पर सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है ना? Fancy and cool. So you want to learn these? See, idioms are used so naturally by native speakers that they often go unobserved. So as a language student, you must learn how to use them effectively so that they do not sound artificial. So today we will learn how you can inculcate some of these amazing idioms in your conversation during the IELTS speaking module. Shall we get started? Let's say the examiner asks you, tell me about your hometown. So your answer could be, well, I am from New Delhi, which is a world-renowned city for its food and culture. They say he who is bored of Delhi is bored of life. There's so much to do here that you're guaranteed to have a whale of a time if you visit. Now here, we have used this idiom, whale of a time, meaning to have a lot of fun and exciting time. Easy, right? Now suppose the question is, do you get along with your family? Your answer can go something like this. I get on reasonably well with most of my family, but my sister is an awful person. She's really selfish and arrogant. Just hearing her voice makes my blood boil. It makes me hit the ceiling every time, which means that it makes you very, very angry. Look, learning common idioms first is the best way to begin building up your knowledge of these types of words and expressions. तो इसीलिए मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे ही normal usage के लिए easy peasy idioms ही बताऊंगी. Let's take a look at another question. Is art popular in your country? You can answer this like this. Yes, I'd say that art is highly popular in my nation. Art has the power to unite us and express feelings that we cannot with words alone. When I look at my absolute favorite piece of art, Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh, I feel inspired and on top of the world. It shows me true beauty that I believe, which is why art is so popular. Now this idiom on top of the world means that you're feeling amazing and wonderful. एक चीज try करते हैं. So I'll give you an idiom and I'll try to give you 10 seconds to figure out its meaning, okay? So here's one for you. On the dot. Now take 10 seconds and try to figure out what it means. So this is the idiom used when you want to say exactly at the right time. Suppose the interviewer asks you, tell us about one of your habits that everyone should have. You can say, well, I'm quite a disciplined person with many good habits. To be precise, I'd speak about my punctuality. I feel everyone should be punctual. Whenever I'm supposed to reach any place, I'm always on the dot. I do not make delays unnecessarily, which has helped me a lot in my life. Let's try this again. The next sample is find my feet. Your 10 seconds start now. So this means to be comfortable with something. Now suppose the question is, why did you take up math as a subject? Well, you can say something like this. Mathematics was never my strength. Even then I took up mathematics for my graduation and there's a long story behind it. I was actually weak at it in my school days, but I always wanted to try and understand it better. Slowly, with the help of my father, I found my feet and I got better at the subject. He helped me by giving me extra time. Soon it became my favorite subject and now I'm pursuing it further. Now this, guys, sounds like a band-aid answer, no? Here are some more idioms you can write down so that you can use them in your conversations in the speaking module. See, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने सारे idioms याद कर लिए और जैसे ही आपका इंटरव्यू शुरू हुआ, आप ये सब बोल पाएंगे वहाँ पे. You really need to practice them first. आपको अगर उन्हें नेचुरली यूज करना है तो आपको स्पीकिंग टेस्ट से पहले ही प्रैक्टिस करना होगा, नहीं तो इंटरव्यू को देखने में कुछ अजीब सा लगेगा. ट्राई टू इनकलकेट देम इन योर डे टू डे कॉन्वर्सेशंस विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, और मे बी वो भी आपसे कुछ सीख जाए. So learn them and impress your examiner, and with this I'm going to end this video today. Stay tuned for more content and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to make sure you are notified of all the upcoming videos.